my channel, and we are having a reaction videos of different kinds of videos, artists, and yung mga gusto yung bigyan natin ng reaction. So, ayun, medyo mainit. This is na talaga, summer na talaga. It's very, I feel the summer. So, medyo mainit dito kahit may aircon. So, today, anyway, welcome to my channel. If bago ka dito, please subscribe my channel. I'm your Kabeshi Ibana and Marky Ibana. So, today we will do a reaction in dahil tayo ay isang pageant fan, and hindi makompleto ang pageant. Sa dami ng mga pageant around the world. So we have a lot of pageants like Miss Universe, the Big Four, and may mga bago like Reina Hispano, Miss Supranational, and ng ating kapitbahay na Miss Grand International na courtesy nga ni Papa Nawat. So, panonoodin natin. Recently, they have their national pageant on Miss Grand International Thailand. So, alam niyo naman, sa Thailand, ang production ay bonggang-bongga. So, since tayo ay nag-react ng videos, bibigyan natin ng bonggang-bonggang reaction. So, without further ado, let's start. And, panoorin na natin ang Miss Grand International Thailand 2026. So, i-adjust natin kasi hindi natin mapatagal highlights lang natin kasi medyo pagbuo 3 hours na So, panoorin natin yung mga highlights lang. Siyempre, opening kasama yan. So, dadrag na natin sa opening. Ayan na. Kasi nag-viral yung opening nila, Dai. So, ayan. Kasi yung reigning queen nila is the last year first runner-up, Miss Emma Mary Tiklao from 2025. Our second
to the Grand Phenomenon, Miss Grand Thailand 2026.
Bongga talaga sila.
MGI Hall, Bangkok.
The high definition is yes. Happening. So, panoorin natin yung highlights lang. Because we're, pageant fan. Panoorin natin. Bigyan natin ng reactions. Yes. High definition. Bonggang costumes. Nice. Acapella, choir. Yes, entertainment. For entertainment talaga ito. Yes. Perfect. CJ last year, bongga din. Very, very nice.
Okay, everybody.
Yes.
Are you ready? Let's do it now.
Yes. And this, dito talaga sa Grand, if you are watching their pageant, even Miss Grand International, the production is really safe. then, you know, the candidates is all, practiced well. Not in the, in the different fashions. Sorry, but yeah, this one, only few you will notice that it's not, sync on the performance. But this one, all of them are sync. That's why. Yeah. Give naman natin talaga. Give na natin ng bongo. I hope, yung national pageant natin sa Pilipinas, it will be, at par. Hindi ko lang sabing bongo, pero at par talaga. Yes! Showgirl talaga ng showgirl talaga, pero. Yes! Nag-viral kasi ito, diba, sa TikTok. And then sa other social media. So, I want to, watch it and give my reaction to it. Perfect! Oh! Yeah. And then, in Grand, Miss Grand, their past winners, talagang kasama sa production, opening crowd. Center of the talaga. That's why, I'm very excited for Emma Tiglao. I love the performance of CJ last year. So, and abangan natin ng All-Stars. Let's see this May ba? Correct me if I'm wrong. Comment me dyan sa book. Yes! Yes! Bongga! Ito na yun talaga yung part na ito. Walking smash. Love it. Ito na yung part na yun. Sa last part ko lang pala ito ginawa. Vernon. Winner, slow-mo. Winner, kabog. Kabog talaga team. Bob, Sasha Bob. Siyempre, ibigay mo na, no? Last mo na yan, nasa raining queen. Bongga talaga ang setup nila. Fairness. Love it. Perfect. May pa-fountain. Dancing fountain. Bongga. Ang ganda nung rain, go. Perfect talaga. Oh, red shoes, red dress with the silver cutouts, Then nag-iisa siyang silver. Grand naman talaga. Winner. Habag naman talaga, besh.
ขอต้อนรับทุกท่านเข้าสู่การประกวด Miss Grand Thailand 2026 President of MGI Organization welcome Miss Emma Mary Chikla, Miss Grand International
Diba?
2025.
The ever gorgeous, the ever beautiful Miss Emma. Mary Tigil.
และขอเสียงปรบมือให้คุณ
Ganda ng makeup.
ผู้จัดการกอง
Hindi kasi hindi natin sila maintindihan kaya ano ko na. Kaya, yung mga swimsuit lang yun ko. Perfect talaga ng ano nila. Oh my God! Red roses inspired Bongga. LED screens, production, name it. Yung mga aesthetic. So, ito lang. Yung may ano mo na. Kasi hindi nakasubscribe. Perfect. Ito yung ano, yung bongga. Alam yun na. Share.
Miss Grand กรุงเทพมหานคร
Bongga. Nagpo-practice talaga siya. Yeah. Ganda naman, oh. May... You know naman the caliber of Grand. You know, salty, craziness, sexiness, spiciness,
Miss
all of it.
Grand ขอนแก่น
Four B's. Business, beauty, brains, ano po ba yun? Comment down below. Sa ating perfect. Sobrang HD ng camera nila talaga, best. Huh? Perfect.
Miss
HD ng camera nila, perfect. Huh? Even yung muscles, kita-kita mo talaga, best. Huh? Perfect. Makikita mo talaga kung sino yung foodist ano, di ba? Perfect. Ganda ng cut ng ano,
ชลบุรี
Chamburi. Nakikita mo yung cut ng ano niya, yung bikini niya. Bongga. Ganda ng design. Swimwear. Pretty.
Miss Grand ชุมพร
So, ganda ng effect ng card. Oh, perfect. Naiba. Nawala yung ito. Perfect. Ganda. Ang ganda ng production talaga.
Miss Grand เชียงใหม่
Okay. Perfect. Black Beauty. ano, no? Same face with the ano.
Miss Grand ตราด
Pretty girl.
Miss Grand นครราชสีมา
The sun touches you. Hindi ka matulog.
The more
Ang dami. Dito na tayo sa ano, sa gang. Kasi, ganda po, perfect. Emma Mary Tiglaw.
Miss Grand กรุงเทพมหานคร
Ang dami kasi nila, girl. Hi, Sarah. May pa-slow mo no. Perfect! Ang ganda nung may pa-water element. Ganun. Ang ganda. Ito po. Ang bongga naman.
Miss Grand ฉะ
Si
เชิง
ano,
เทรา
they will eating crested ka with skin tone. Diba? And then slowly, may veil pink, first level. First spread, diba? Bongga. This is metallic gold. Gold and, you know, metallic blue. Blue ba ito? Yeah. Color
Miss
na.
Grand
Ay, parang clay yung pattern. Very nice color combination. Parang blue-green, gano'n. Gold, silver, the back, kita-kita. Parang kita-kita mo. Ganda. Ay, perfect. May feather din si ate mo. Ay, perfect. Tiglaw. Talaga ang eksenahan.
Miss Grand ตรัง
Parang si ano, this one parang si ano, Francine Garcia. If I'm not mistaken, may hawak siya. Miss Francine Garcia. Kimcho ang dati niya. Ang ganda nung pag ano, parts of the lahat sila meron ganun. Ito naman feather boa. Para maiba man.
Miss Grand ตราด
Perfect. Love it. Feather boa. Lahat talaga may feather elements. Charis. Oh God. Very nice. Pretty. Parang Gretchen Malala. Just. Eksena. Parang may hawig kay Gretchen Malala. Or ano, yung sino? Yung volleyball player. Feather boa to. Ano to? May team ba yan? Golden pa rin.
Miss Grand บุรีรัมย์
Sa Triona, ang pesa doon. yung first sight. Ha? Sa Triona. Yung mga ganun extent. Yung ha? Makeup na reflection na. Tayo sa tattoo. Sige na. Si Chamburi pala ang tattoo. Tsaka si Nin. Ay, si ano? Si Catrion. Perfect. Si Catrion na pala. Si Chamburi. Ay, ang dami nilang kinunahan. Sabagay, sa Grand kasi Grand. Pero sila ang top. Si ano, yung first glance na Catriona. Si Sandro. Ay, nagigyan na sila ngayon. Abangan natin yan sa Miss Grand. Yung top 2, mag-final final walk. Who will be the next represent Miss Grand Thailand on the Miss Grand International 2026? Alam ko sa India gaganapin yan in 2026. Miss Grand International in India. So mag-Bollywood na naman sila. Perfect, diba? Chamburi! Chamburi pa na. Bongga yun. Perfect.
และ Miss Grand Thailand 2026 ได้แก่
Thank you.
Miss Grand ชลบุรี
Bongga. Miss Chamburi. Perfect. Pretty naman si ate niya. Ay, si Ella! Go Ella! Hinatak si ate. Hinatak si ate girl. Perfect.
ขอเชิญคุณเอมมานะครับ
Ay,
มาริสิก
perfect.
ลาครับ Miss Grand International 2025 ครับ กับคุณสุรนันท์กับพิพัฒน์ Miss Grand Thailand 2025 ครับ To crown the new Miss Grand Thailand 2026 ครับ และแน่นอนครับนั่นหมายความว่ารองอันดับหนึ่ง Miss Grand Thailand 2026 ได้แก่ Miss Grand บุรีรัมย์ครับ
Miss Buriram. Miss Buriram is the first runner-up. Perfect. Pwede ka naman sumali ulit next year.
ขอแสดงความยินดีด้วยครับ
Sorry.
และ ขอเชิญ Miss Grand Thailand 2026 Miss
Ganda ng
Grand
crowd.
ชลบุรีกับ First Walk ครับ
Round, every round win. Perfect. Ang mag-represent ang Thailand. Perfect. Pero gusto ko first summer, updato ka, pero sa Grand kasi, you know, sa Grand, kahit yung parang fifth runner-up or eighth
Miss Grand
runner.
International 2026 นี้ที่ประเทศอินเดียในเดือนกันยายนนี้ครับ
Pwede ka sumali ulit.
ทุกท่านสามารถร่วมส่งกำลังใจให้กับตัวแทนประเทศไทยในการคว้ามง
So guys, thank you so much sa pagsama and to join with me on the watching, giving the reaction of Miss Grand Thailand 2026. I hope you like it and yeah, ganda production wise and bigay na natin sa kanila yon, bongga talaga si Papa Nawat, bonggang-bongga sa production. You know, the entertainment factor is already there. So guys, what's your thoughts on this video? And thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And if you have any reaction videos that you want me to do a reaction, just comment down below sa comment section box. And please follow me on my social media platforms. Dyan sa baba. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next reaction video. This is your Kabeshi Marky Bana. Laging nagsasabing much love and always spread love on the whole world. Thank you. Bye bye.